If you're a regular on this channel, you already know how powerful Suno is for creating high-quality music, but the biggest challenge has always been the visuals. How do you turn a great track into a viral video without spending days editing? Well, now you can actually create professional AI videos with Suno all in one place. Usually, to create content like this for your music, you'd need 5 different subscriptions. One tool for the script, another for the voiceover, a third for image generation, a fourth for animation, and then a fifth just to edit everything together. You've probably heard of the heavy hitters, models like Sora, VO 3.1, Seedance, and Gemini 3. They're powerful, but they don't talk to each other, and they definitely don't work with your music workflow. And that's exactly where Clipwise AI comes in. Instead of jumping between 5 different platforms, it brings everything, including the Suno engine, into one place. It's an all-in-one platform designed for creating viral videos using what they call AI video agents. Think of these agents as ready-made experts trained on the latest viral formats. Whether you want cinematic storytelling for your music, faceless explainers, or product ads, there's an agent specifically built to bring that vibe to life. Let's start here on the Clipwise.ai landing page. With AI content exploding right now, this has quickly become a central hub for creators who want to produce viral videos without juggling 5 different apps. As we go through the site, there are 4 key features you need to understand. First, AI video agents. These are pre-built systems designed for specific formats like cinematic stories or UGC ads. Second, it's truly all-in-one. You get access to models like Sora 2, VO, and Seedance inside a single platform. Third, you can edit using chat. Instead of traditional editing, you simply tell the agent what you want to change, and it updates the video for you. And finally, advanced editing is built directly into the workflow, handling your script, visuals, transitions, and music all in one place. The whole system is designed to be simple. Choose an agent, define your vibe, and generate a professional video in one click. Let's jump into the Clipwise AI Studio. Right away, you'll notice a clean layout with a prompt box in the center. Below that, you can select the AI video agent based on the type of video you want to create. Clipwise offers multiple agents, each tailored to a specific format. Even within the AI viral category, you'll find subcategories like ASMR, ads, cinematic, and cat stories. You can literally find an agent for almost every viral niche on social media and YouTube, which is seriously impressive. But for this project, we're not making a standard video. We're creating a cinematic Ghibli-style music video. For that, I'm selecting the Smart Video Creator, and now we define the vibe. I'll type Studio Ghibli aesthetic, a peaceful summer meadow with tall grass blowing in the wind, soft sunlight, and a young girl looking at the horizon. Peaceful, nostalgic, and high-fidelity animation. I'll set the language to English, duration to 60 seconds, and aspect ratio to 16:9 to match a music video format. For style, I'll go with a casual tone and beginner-friendly storytelling. Now I hit generate, and the agent begins building the entire plan. Now we're in the planning stage. Even for a music video, the AI creates a structured breakdown. It maps out visual prompts for each scene to ensure the mood stays consistent throughout. It has already selected the Ghibli visual theme, which is perfect. It also identified the main character, the young girl, for consistency across the video. We don't need narration here, but for background music, we can either choose from the Clipwise library or generate AI music. I'm going to go with the default AI-generated option and confirm. Since this is a pure music video, I'm skipping the voiceover entirely. We want the visuals and music to carry the experience. Next, I'll click Generate Scene. Now we're inside the Customize Scenes screen. The generated Ghibli-style visuals already look incredible, and most importantly, the character remains consistent across all frames. Let's move to the Music tab. Right now, it's set to 10%, which leaves room for narration. But since this is a music-driven video, I'm increasing that to 85%. The music should lead the entire experience. We can also see the prompt used to generate the current track. But I want to completely replace it with a track of my own. For this, I'm going to use the music specialist, Suno AI. I'm going to copy this prompt here and paste it on Suno. I'm increasing the BPM and adding synth arpeggios instead of violins. A bit of a bold move, but let's see what happens. I will toggle the instrumental mode on and hit create. Here we are. Let's listen to this. That's terrific. It fits the vibe really well. So I'm going to download this one in MP3 format. Now I'm heading back to Clipwise and going to the Upload tab and selecting the music track we just got from Suno. Now we have both the music and visuals ready. It's time to bring those images to life. At the top, we can choose the video model for animation. I'm selecting the Seedance 720p model, then clicking Convert All Images to Video. If I want to refine a scene, I can use the Edit via chat feature. Let's take the second scene and type Add Glowing Fireflies. The agent processes the request and updates the image with fireflies. Now I select that updated frame and generate the video. And just like that, the clip updates seamlessly, with animated fireflies exactly as requested. Now let's finish the final polish. I'll go to Elements, Overlays. There are plenty of options, but I'll add rose petals to enhance that dreamy cinematic feel. If you're using VoiceOver, you can also enable captions, customize colors, fonts, and styles to match your aesthetic. For the music, I feel like the ending is a bit abrupt, so I'll go into Properties and add a 3-second fade out. In the Transitions tab, you can also adjust transitions across the entire sequence. And if you have branding, you can easily add your logo as well. Now let's talk value. If you were paying separately for animation tools, video models, and music generators, you'd easily be spending hundreds of dollars. But Clipwise is up to 10x more affordable compared to tools like InVideo. They offer multiple pricing plans, but the best value right now is their Black Friday deal, up to 60% off the annual plan. If you're serious about building an AI channel or music brand, going annual makes the most sense. You unlock all agents, premium models, and the full editor at a fraction of the cost. We're entering a new era where a single person with a creative idea can produce an entire music video in minutes. You don't need a full production team anymore. You just need the right tool. Stop overthinking and start creating your own channel today. The AI era is already here, and tools like Clipwise AI are making it accessible to everyone. Click the link in the description to try Clipwise AI and start building your own viral vibes. If this walkthrough helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me what kind of Ghibli-style videos you're planning to create. Go out there, experiment, and I'll see you in the next video.